So the interface you're staring at right now is what you should be seeing the moment you open up GarageBand. I'd like to get you to a stage in which you are have all the tools you need, and we'll deal with the more complex tools later on. So here, this is, they call them, it's your keyboard. You can see it up here. Most of us don't play the piano, so right now we don't need to be able to be using this. We're going to rely on a tool called loops. So I'm going to have us turn this off right now, and all you have to do is come up here to the main menu. And how do you know you have the right one on? It says GarageBand, main menu, window, hide musical typing. Hide musical typing, gone. Later on, if you want to turn it back on, all you have to do is go show musical typing, and it's back on. Right now, I don't want you using it. If you can turn it off so I can show you how to use loops. Also, over here, this is the library. It also allows you to edit the tracks you'll be using in your compositions. All you have to do is, you see this file cabinet or library right here, click on it. It'll disappear. You can bring it back in the future, allow you to give your tracks a different sound for each track. But right now, we also don't need that. I would, right now, right now, here is where we're going to be putting the different instruments we have. Here's the tracks. Each track for each instrument will be in this section here, and I'm going to have us turn on loops here. How do we turn on the loops? Right over here. See this where it says Apple Loops? All you have to do is click on it, click off, goes away, click on, it comes back. And then the other is, let's say it's not there, you can come up here to main menu, view. Most things you'll need are underneath view. If you're missing something, just come to view. See where it says show Apple Loops? There it is. And while we're here, there's two things I want us to set up. One of them is, you see this metronome? I'd like you to turn off the metronome. I'd like you to turn off the metronome because it can really, there you go. And then secondly, because it'll be leaving you with a beat clicking going in the background. And the second I'd like you to do right now is, you see this drop down? I don't want us on beats. I want us on time. Because when you do the project, again, most of us don't have, many if not most of us don't have a music background. And so we're going to be creating our projects based on time, minimum and maximum time limits. So this allows you to set up a clock instead of basing it on a beat. So go ahead and select time, perfect. And now you can see up here, it goes 0 all the way up to 34 and then some, or wherever you want the end to set up. Now, next step, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to start building your songs using beats.